In this video, we're going to look at meme coins because yes, we saw this major pump towards the upside for Dogecoin and all of the meme coins. We can see that SOLAMA's up 2,200% within 7 days, and also Ponke that we've been talking about on this channel saw this pump of 113%. So we're going to look at the old coins, the meme coins from the previous cycle, to find out what can we expect from this massive pump towards the upside. Because yes, if we're going to look at Dogecoin, if you would have invested exactly here at the bottom before we had this major breakout towards the upside, this would be a massive profit all the way from this entry all the way to the swing high. This would have been some profits of 16,000%. So yes guys, you can make a lot of money investing into these meme coins, but all your investments into these meme coins you should consider going to zero because they are no fundamental value. These meme coins are just a lot of hype and FOMO from social media. But yes, we're going to look at the old projects to find out what can we expect from new hidden gems that are entering the markets and meme coins that you can buy in these low levels. So if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and we're going to directly start with Doge because yes, we saw this major pump towards the upside. So the big question is, should you still invest in Dogecoin at these levels? Because yes, we saw this major pump towards the upside exactly from this breakout, from this trend line, exactly here where I told you to buy Dogecoin on previous videos. From these levels, we already saw this 170%, but if you would see that Dogecoin comes all the way up to the previous all-time high, yes, this would have been 850%. So if you're going to buy Dogecoin exactly now, you could still expect a pump of 319%. But ultimately, you need to have a strategy if you're going to invest in all of these meme coins, because definitely you can see the price movement go up, and come all the way back down. So you should have a strategy when to exit these coins. Either you're going to sell 50% if you're going to see 100% pump, that you take your initial investment out, or you're going to gradually scale out of the market if we're going to reach the previous all-time high. Because yes, we can see that we had this major pump towards the upside, and this could also be that this is going to be the first leg that we're seeing in the markets, and that we could expect that we're going to see this major pump during the bull market. But please don't fall in love with your meme coins because you're going to hold it all the way back down. So I would invest a small amount into Dogecoin, but please consider a small amount which you are willing to lose, because if we go over to Shiba Inu, I invested into Shiba exactly here where we broke the previous highs, and yes, I saw this major pump towards the upside. I invested round about $300. I saw my $300 go all the way up to $1,700, and I saw it come all the way back down, and I'm still holding my Shiba. But definitely I'm going to sell if we're going to come all the way to the previous high. I'm going to scale out of my Shiba Inu, and that is exactly what you should do. Invest a small amount, because definitely we're going to see this pump to the previous all-time high within the bull market. Yes, maybe we're going to see a pump even higher, but guys, make some money with these meme coins and scale them back into Bitcoin or any other altcoin that has a fundamental value and a major potential towards the upside. But yes, we're going to look at some new meme coins, and a meme coin that we've been talking about on this channel is Ponke. I told you to buy Ponke exactly here where I made a dedicated video and told you that I bought Ponke exactly in these levels, and I also posted the spot buy where I added to my position exactly in these levels, and we can see that from my entry points exactly towards the all-time high, we can see that this was a pump of 140%, and my first entry exactly from these levels all the way to the all-time high, this was a pump of 280%. But yes, my price target for Ponke is definitely going to be the $1 mark all the way up here. So this would mean that yes, if you're going to buy Ponke exactly here, you could still make a major profit all the way to the $1 mark that we could reach in the bull market. This would still be a percentage gain of 620%. And why do I expect this major pump all the way to the $1 mark? Because Ponke is actually building something. Meme Trend is built by Ponke, by the team behind the Ponke network, and we could expect that Meme Trend has something to do with the whole ecosystem of all the meme coins, where you can track your meme coins, or where you can even trade all of your meme coins on the SOLANA network. So this is going to be a major pump, and this major project I think has some major potential towards the upside, and that we could see Ponke head all the way up to the $1 mark, and this would be an easy 10x exactly from these levels all the way up to the $1 mark. And the next meme coin we're going to look at is Penguins, and yes, this comes from the NFTs. that had a major community, and this is also a driving factor when it comes to buying meme coins, to find out does it have a huge community backing, and also the developers, are they known, and can we expect that a huge community is backing these meme coins and we can see a major pump towards the upside. So yes, I gave this call exactly here in my signal group that I'm going to enter on the spot market with a small amount exactly in these levels, and yes, we saw this pump towards the upside. We are already up from the entry price all the way to the current price movement of 26%, but we saw this pump all the way up of 61%. But yes, I expect a further pump towards the upside because we're only at the beginning of this major bull run, and if we're going to compare Peng to Shiba Inu, then yes, we're still exactly here, just at the first pump towards the upside. But I'm also going to show you why investing after these major pumps is still going to be extremely early because the hype didn't even start yet. So yes, I bought Peng exactly in these levels where I posted it in my community. So let's go over to the next coin, SOLAMA. SOLAMA saw this major pump towards the upside from these levels, exactly from this breakout all the way up to the swing high. This was a pump of 3,500%. So is it too late to invest exactly here after we saw these crazy gains? We're going to look at Shiba Inu on the daily chart. This was before this major pump towards the upside, exactly here, before the bull market started. And then we saw the peak of the bull market where Shiba Inu came all the way up and had this massive profits all the way from the bottom all the way up. This was a move of 1000%, but we're not going to look at the percentages, we're just going to look at this moves. When the hype started, we saw this major pump, consolidation phase, and no, it didn't give you a lower entry and came all the way back down, it just went sideways, and then we saw this major hype. So if we're going to compare it with SOLAMA that saw this major pump, this initial pump, maybe this is this consolidation phase, and we could expect this parabolic run towards the upside. But guys, if you're going to invest in all of these meme coins, you should consider investing only a small amount. But at the moment, I think we're seeing this consolidation before this next major leg towards the upside, exactly like we saw for Shiba Inu when we saw this sideways consolidation after this initial pump and this major hype within the bull market. And remember, if you're going to invest in all of these coins, consider investing a small amount which you can afford to lose, because yes, this market is extremely volatile. Yes, you have a high potential, but also a major risk that you can lose all of your money and that your coin is going to go to zero. So where can you find all of these hidden gems? First of all, follow my channel to find out even more about any cryptocurrencies and also some major meme coins which is going to hit the market. But you can also go over to Bird's Eye where you can go on trending tokens exactly here and you can find all of the trending meme coins. But guys, consider that your investment will go all the way to zero, and please only invest a small amount. But yes, we could expect a major pump towards the upside like we saw for Shiba Inu and like I expect for Ponke buying exactly in these lows, and we could see this pump all the way up to the $1 mark. So I would dollar cost average into Ponke exactly here for the long term, but please consider only a small amount. And if you want to find out more about cryptocurrencies, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly guys, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group, B for Crypto, and we see each other in the next video.